Hello, from Gary Wilson CPA. We're a Westerville tax preparing company. We do bookkeeping, tax preparation services, just a little bit of everything that most companies need and for individuals. We have another YouTube video for you. Hope you are able to use this productively. We're back at the sample company, Rock Castle Construction. And today we're going to enter a credit card expenses. So in other words, you've purchased some of the items for your business using a credit card, and in order to properly record those, we're going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go to banking, and we're going to enter credit card charges. Now, you'll need to make sure if you have more than one credit card, you'll need to make sure you pick the correct one. Of course, these are both fictitious ones, but they'll work for what we're doing. So I'm going to pick the Cal Oil credit card, and I'm going to purchase from the Bayshore Cal Oil Service Company, a fictitious gas station, fueling station. And I think it's important to use the right date. So whatever date shows up on the credit card is what I use. Most credit cards are going to run maybe 1 day behind. So there's a bit of a timing issue, but don't worry about that. So on this particular one, I'm going to say it happened on 11/30/2018. And remember, we're in the future on this company. And it was $125 to fill up a vehicle. And something you should always do with fuel is say how many gallons and how much it costs. So let's just say 30 gallons at, it looks like it's going to be about $4.16 per gallon. And I'm going to expand that a little bit. And I think at this point you hit save and close. And now you've recorded it. Let's go take a look at the financial statement, just to kind of follow up and see where this thing ended up at. And we should be able to come down into here. Take this back one date. And here's your $125 that we just recorded. And notice that I used the date 11/30/2018 when I put it in, because that's the date of the actual fill up. So when you look at the income statement, it doesn't show up here. Let's expand this to 11/1/2018. And let's go down there. Now when you drill down on it, you'll see it showing up properly. Go ahead, and if you put it in 12/1/2018, then it's going to show up in that month, and you get the idea. On accrual basis accounting, the idea is to record the expense when it happens, and then when you pay for it, you pay for it on the day it happens. So on the credit card, we're going to accumulate all the expenses that were charged to it, and then at some point in time we will write a check and pay off the credit card. And that's how that works. I hope this has been helpful. In the future we'll discuss how to pay the credit card balances.